how it changed your life?
Well, hello, thank you so much for watching. Yes, I started almost 4 years ago in October 2020. This is my best decision I ever made in my life. And this business is something which we all dream of. The dream life, to travel, not to work under any boss, and less hours, more money, and legitimate. The main thing is where you get your pay slips and you pay tax. So this business is something which can change your life, as it's changed mine. I was able to quit my nursing job, which I was working from last 12 years, and now I'm officially job quitter and working from home.
I found this business 5 years ago and never imagined myself that from working as a registered nurse for more than 10 years to becoming a full-time business owner and full-time mom in just 22 months. Look at that team. Keep your eyes on the prize. I started this business with a very skeptical husband. I prayed to God, and God gave me the wisdom. I wouldn't be here standing now if I listened to my husband. Imagine, right? If I did not take action. So that's the start, team. We need to take action in spite of anything, because always remember, the moment that we've seen this business, we've seen the potential, we believe that this business is going to change our lives.